this white, gosh, I think it's a Fisher-Price plastic refrigerator. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy and it looks terrific. Okay, yeah, it's Fisher-Price. And it works for 18-inch dolls. Look at how cute this is. So it has the little, like, ice thing, water dispenser that actually goes down. That's so cute. And then these are permanently on there. And then the doors have the shelves inside for milk and different things. Love this. It's so realistic. And then the little grate down here. And then there are the shelves. It's like 15.5 inches tall or something like that. So it's perfect for my modern dolls in their kitchen. Let me see if I can grab. I think I've got Samuel here. Let's grab him and set him by the fridge since he always likes to eat. So you can see the scale is pretty good next to the AG dolls. Okay, so this will work perfect. I think what I'm going to have to do is either find a stove and sink set, which, you know, may be a long time for me to actually secure one. I may just have to make one for temporary as a stand-in until I can find one. I'm really impressed with this. This is really good plastic and it's really cute. I've never seen these in the store, but then again, I haven't been looking. It seems to me that it's, you know, it's bigger than the Our Generation kitchen refrigerator. I think that one just seems to be a little slimmer, and I needed white. I just wanted white because, you know, white goes with everything and is just very neutral. So